I got a 2012 or 2013 WRX. Oh shit. Awesome wheels, coilovers. We're gonna be doing a condenser install somewhere in there and some hello horns. So these are the horns. Let's see here. Boom. That's one of them. And there's the second one. Boom. It's a little harness it comes with. Well, it didn't come with it. You ordered it, but then there's a little bracket. Mount those two guys on. There's that. And this is the new condenser. Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna start taking the old condenser out, extracting the old Freon, and then drop the new one in, and then we'll get the bumper off and start installing those horns. Alright, went and got the machine hooked up. So now, let's see here. Boom. Got this bitch on there, that one on there. Go ahead and start recovering this. And boom. So as soon as that gets out, go ahead and start moving this forward. In the meantime, I'm gonna start taking this off. Wow. Boom. Honestly, you wanna know what? We're just gonna take the whole bumper off now. I gotta take it off anyway, so. Oh. You know, I don't know why I don't just lift the car up and then like. Yeah, let's do that. All right, I'm gonna put the car in there. Now the bumper should just should just pop right off. Let's see here. Yep. Oh, I lied. Hold on. So one more clip. Sick. All right. Unplug this light. And what the hell? Wow, there's another clip over here. Now the bumper can come off. Okay. Now we can see everything pretty good here. Set this to the side. Fuck. Oh. It's our current horn. Sick ass fool. This fucking little horn is so little. Like the OEM one compared to the Hello horns. It's like a little baby. Alright, disconnect this shit. For everyone wondering what the fuck I'm hitting, bro, it's just this little crash bar, so don't try to rip on me saying I'm fucking the car up, alright? Cooked. Now undo the AC line. lower the car now really quick. I'm just gonna lift this up enough to get the fuck out of my way. Well, this line over here wants to cause a fucking problem, so I'm gonna have to loosen this one too. Oh, that's a nice little leak it has going here. Oh, I'm gonna grab a gun. Definitely could use a new O-ring here. Don't worry though, I will put one. Boom. And it was leaking a little bit there. And a little bit on this connector, but see all the buildup here. That's alright. Alright, now I'm gonna get the old new one. Boom, unboxed. Open this shit up. Boom. Okay, I thought this had a design on it from the picture I was shown, but hey, fuck it. Let's see about these O-rings. I went and got new O-rings because fucking the last ones were cooked and I couldn't find any, so went and just grabbed new ones. Like $5, so not expensive. Try to clean this off as much as we can here. Put the new one there. And do the same for the little one on the bottom. Set this down. A little ass O-ring. Alright, now to slide this bitch in there. Oh, sick. Okay, I need these little rubber feet. Almost forgot them Jones. That would have been a sick ass rattle. These are those little rubber feet that I'm talking about. Okay, now get my little tens that I had earlier. These two guys. Just gonna bolt this back up. Boom, condenser done. Alright, now I'm gonna kind of change up the view a little bit for you guys. That way I can do the hello horn. This is a horrible fucking description of how it's done, but it's done. Every YouTube video ever. Alright. Got the wires tucked. Going up there, plugged in. Okay, this harness didn't really have the right connector, but we made it work. Smashed that shit, pushed it in. It works. Put our relay right here, tucked it in there, zip tied. Ran the power wire right there, up through here. Connects that the bitch. Then condensers in, of course. Put the new O-rings on that connection and on that one in there. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and get this bumper back on, recharge it, and should be good to go. Alright, now we got everything on. Hose is connected. Gonna go ahead and start a vacuum for about 10 minutes. Get back to you guys whenever that's done. Alright, charging it now. I put the funnel on here because, yeah, I think it was a little low on coolant. So let that sit there. And hopefully that's good. Oh yeah, and so anyone who wants to hear the horn, this is what it sounds like. Yeah, pretty loud, pretty loud.